Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the fire filter or the explosion filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, you will see this image. This is the filter. Okay, when you tap it, you'll get this effect. Okay, so suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the trending section, then you can tap on the search button, and here you can search for fire filter. Okay, remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the filter either way, then what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for fire filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow, tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see use this effect. Tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this also, then what you can do, okay, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.